Hey everybody, it's Justin with Severed Books, and we just got these production samples in the mail. Um, eh, I am absolutely excited because they look great. It's rare that you get a production sample in the mail and they nailed it, and this is a good example. So the Gelatinous Cube Checker Sets are here. They come in this nice, thick, hefty box. And, just like the Dead Milkman sets, funny enough, we only made 450 of this edition. So, cool picture on the back of what you're getting. Let's crack this thing open. Let me show you. We still have these available. I'll put the link in the description. So, bang, saw that. And, of course, let's see, what am I going to pull out first? In the set, you get 2 dice bags. I don't think, I've never done a Severed Books logo dice bag, so that's kind of fun. So 2 players, obviously, for checkers. And then in the set, you get a mountain of 1-inch gelatinous cubes. And it's cool because you can use these for any tabletop game. I mean, it's not just for checkers. So if you want to buy a set, these are $35. You're getting 24 gelatinous cubes that a party could potentially have to encounter. So that alone, I think, is worth it because you're getting potentially a bunch of minis, So here are the different sides. We have the king side, and skull, sword, battle axe, arrows, and what's the other one? And a hat, like a witch or a wizard hat. So there's red team, green team, and man, they did an awesome job. There's no air bubbles in these things. This manufacturer just kills it every time. Same quality as the massive gelatinous cubes. Just crisp, etched, no bullshit sticker. They're all etched and painted. And then in the set, when we reprint these, this is the standard board, of course, and it's got some cool graphics on there, like dropped weapons and some slime. But because, of course, this is a limited edition set, these come with a throwback map, black and white map, which I think is really OSR and awesome and fun. So, big question like, oh, do these guys fit on the map? These are all 1-inch squares, just like a standard D&D map, and yes, the gelatinous cubes all fit on here. And, oh, is that my cat? Come on down! Oh my gosh. Yeah. If she actually comes up to me, I'll hold her up to the camera. So, yeah, 1-inch standard for the map. We have a free PDF for Massive Gelatinous, and it gives you tons of rules, free rules for laying out encounters and traps for these guys. You can roll them, and it even randomizes their abilities. So, I think you get a lot in this package, especially with the free PDF. So, cool, hand-drawn. I drew this map with a little ink pen. Hand-drawn map, standard checkerboard. You could use both of these in tandem, I guess, and create a bigger map. You could write an encounter that way. I don't know. I don't know if that's a goofy idea or not. You gotta have goofy ideas with your good ones. But yeah, dude, massive gelatinous cube checker sets. Still got some available. The shipment should be here. We're aiming for before Black Friday, of course, but they're ready to ship, and actually they're being shipped right now, which is awesome. So, thanks for checking this out. See you!